Salibu.
Sawabian Mercy.
Arabia. Sawa. 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 Had your lunch, everyone?
No, madam. No, madam. Oh, sure, madam.
Who's asking? Prinova, yes, dear, I can see you. Hrudan, Abhimanyu, Vaiga, keep your cameras on. Only Christmas students? Do you...
Share in the chat.
I shared again, no problem. Okay, then in the last class, you remember we were doing the exercises from the textbook? Yes?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so all of you take page number 25. Page number 25, take your textbook, everyone. Keep your cameras on.
Dakko, madam.
Keep your cameras on, everyone. Pranav, you. Aromal, Anusri, Abhimanyu. After that only we'll continue. Soumya.
Madam, can you repeat the page number?
25. Page number 25.
Mercy, madam.
Soumya, Aromal, Hrudan, keep your cameras on.
Ma'am, it is not Excuse me, ma'am.
Keep your name. Keep your name. Change.
Ma'am, can I leave? Ma'am, it's there.
Yeah, leave and then join. Join with your ID. Pranav, Aditi. So in your textbook, take page number 25. Page number 25.
Ma'am, my network bandwidth is low, ma'am.
We already did exercise 1. We completed exercise 1. Exercise 2 also we completed, right?
I read it till page number 28, sixth one.
Wait, we did exercise 1, exercise 2 completed, exercise 3 completed, then exercise 4 also match the following completed.
Up to
Five
exercise
and six,
7.
up to 6, ma'am.
Okay, this exercise also we did. Put the missing accents. That also we did, right?
Oui, madam.
Okay. Okay. Then 7th one, solve the puzzles with the guidelines given below. Solve the puzzles with the guidelines given below. First one, Devak Menon. First one, read the question and give me the answer.
How will you greet your teacher in the morning?
Yes. How will you greet your teacher?
Bonjour, madam.
Bonjour, madam. But here, what will you write here? Will you have the space to write bonjour, madam? Only bonjour we will be able to write here, right? Yeah. So write bonjour. All of you, bonjour. Bonjour. Then next one, Pranava. Next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, the second one.
How will you greet your friends?
How will you greet your friends? You will say,
Ma'am.
Pranava. We, Chris.
Ma'am, salute.
Salute. We, salute. Salute, yes. On Sweet, third one. Ahil, third one.
You are going to your aunt's house in night. How will you greet her? Bonjour.
Bonsoir. How will you say? Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Right,
Bonsoir.
everyone? Bonsoir.
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 I was having a net problem.
No problem, dear. No problem. Okay. Then next one, fourth one. Chris, fourth one.
Okay, madam. While leaving your aunt's house, what do you say?
Now we are leaving. Or we. Au revoir. Fourth one. Au revoir. Au revoir. Then fifth one. Anusri, fifth one.
Okay, madam. You are not feeling too well. What do you say?
Not well.
Ma'am,
Not well. How will you say not well?
can I tell?
Not well in French. Oui, Joel. You can say the answer.
Bonjour, madam.
Savamal.
Savamal. Trebia. Sa va mal. Savamal.
Ma'am, should we put the action by writing the crossword?
We. See. When you write, you have to put that axosedil there here. See, like this. Laxosedil you have to put. Shall we move to the next page?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
I will wait.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Quality. Okay, then move to the next page. Here you have few letters over here, and 8th question is write 5 words with the help of the alphabets given. Here you have to write 5 words that you learn from this chapter. We don't have here accents. They didn't give you any accent, like so ague, laxograph, circumflex is not there. So you can't write any word with the accent here. So write the word without accent. You can write. All of you can write in your book. Those who don't have textbook, write in your book. Okay, giving you 1 minute. Write.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 5 words, right? Without an accent.
Only 5 words. Only 5 words.
Ma'am, if one letter is repeating, it's okay.
No problem. You can repeat the letters also.
Ma'am, without any accents, right?
Without any accents, you have to write the words because they didn't give you any accent here.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Ma'am, I have already written, ma'am.
Oh.
Then if there is exclamation mark, there's problem.
Now it's okay. If you don't put the exclamation mark, no problem here.
Write any word?
Okay, madam.
Ma'am, can you write any word?
Anywhere? See that in the textbook you have space to write there.
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
asked
can you show the previous page, ma'am?
Please wait. More than half of the students kept their camera off. Srihari, Abhimanyu, Joel, Pranav, Pradhan, keep the cameras on.
Ma'am, I go for taking my book.
Pardon, Abhimanyu. Abhimanyu, say it again.
Finished writing.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in seventh question, what is last word?
Seventh question, last word. Let me check. Wait. Savamal.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
so we need to put the accent deal, right?
Laxosedi there you have to put there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so shall we discuss the answers? Daniel, give me one word that you wrote.
Ma'am,
Give me one word that you wrote for the 8th question.
maybe two. Yeah, okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Daniel, you didn't write anything for the 8th one?
ma'am, I was writing 7th one.
You were writing 7th one. Okay, Aditi, give me one word.
Oruva.
Oruva. Trebi, Aditi. Oruva.
Ma'am, can I?
Who is asking?
Ananda.
Wait. Pooja, give me one.
Bonnui.
Bonnui. Trebia, Pooja.
Can I next?
Ananda, next one.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Can
Wait, I will call. Next, Aromal, next one. Aramal, unmute and give me the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me a word.
Bonjour.
Bonjour, it's already written.
Okay. Como sava.
No, we can't write como sava because there will be shading accent with the C. Here we don't have the accents. Wait, Aramal, come on. But there are many words.
Ma'am, can I?
Please.
Sunnovi.
Repeat, say it again, Aramal.
Sunnovi.
Sonnui. We didn't learn a word like Sonnui.
No, Bonnui.
Bonnui, it's already written. Aramal, Bonnui already written. You write, you give me a word which is not written here.
Okay, ma'am. Giraffe.
Giraffe. G is there for we. Giraffe we can write. Any other greeting? Can you give me greetings?
Ma'am, I have
Ma'am, can I?
words.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir we can write here. Bonsoir. Bienvenue also we can write here. Bienvenue. Salut, yes. Meal you can write. Giraffe also we can write. Many are there.
Tigre, giraffe, lion.
Many are there. Very good. Many are there. Okay, now I muted. Moving to the next question, 9th one. Add the missing alphabets. You have to add the missing alphabets. Rana, Fatima, what is the first one?
I have done it, ma'am.
Rana, Fatima, what is the first one?
Yes, ma'am. Bonjour, monsieur.
Bonjour, monsieur. Give me the spellings.
BONJOURMONSIEUR.
Oui. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur. Then second one.
Can I say?
Wait.
Ma'am, can I say Prinava?
I will mute everyone, okay? I will mute everyone. If you are asking like this, I will call the names. Wait. Anthony Joel, second one.
Ma'am, Sava.
Sava, spelling?
A and V.
Oh, we, A and V, we have to write here. Then next one, Srihari. Third one.
Ma'am,
Third one, Srihari.
Savabian.
The third one, dear. Question number 3. What is the word?
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Spelling?
AUREBOIR.
3 Bia, Srihari. Ensuite, Abhimanyu. Fourth one, Abhimanyu.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one. What is the fourth one? Abhimanyu, what can be the answer for the fourth one? Can you see the screen, Abhimanyu? Can you? Yeah. Others, please give me some time. Fourth one, try to read the fourth one, Abhimanyu. Don't mute without my permission, Abhimanyu. What is the spelling? You try to read that spelling. That word is beginning with which letter?
Already written on the board.
That word is beginning with which letter, Abhimanyu? Abhimanyu.
Yes, ma'am.
With which letter that word is beginning? Beginning with? Can't you see, Abhimanyu?
Yes.
What is that letter?
Yes, ma'am.
S. Okay. So how many words we learn with that word letter? How many words we learn in this chapter with S? You don't remember that word? Simple one. We give. It is already, the answer is already on the board. Salute. Salute. Answer is already on the board. What is this, Abhimanyu? Such a small word which we are learning from the many times from the beginning of the first month we are learning. Salute. Hi.
Madam, after salute, what's it?
Then next one is
What is ma'am?
Savabia Mercy. Savabia Mercy. Next one Bonui. Bonui. Okay. Pop it on this fast.
Excuse me, madam.
We.
Eric is a name.
Pardon.
Madam,
Ma'am, he is asking is Eric a name?
Eric is a name. Eric is a name. Salute Eric. Eric is a name.
madam.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you show the page number 28?
Page
Because I
number
was late.
28. Okay. Why you were late?
Because of network issue.
Abhimanyu, can you mute?
Breaking your voice.
Pop it on fast.
Ma'am, next exercise also 10th one.
Wait. Tenth one is an audio. Tenth one is an audio. I will say some words. Wait, let me take that.
Ma'am, you can change the slide.
Okay, 10th one. These greetings are in French. I will say you a few words. If that is in French, you can put tick for oui. If it is not in French, you can put tick for no. Understood? Okay. So you don't have to say it. I am going to mute. Okay, you don't have to say it. First you listen and mark your answer. So first word, bonjour. Bonjour. Second one, hello. Hello. Third one, salut. Salut. Fourth one, namaste. Namaste. Fifth one, there is no option for fifth one, but you can write put 5 there. Write 5 there and you can write au revoir. Au revoir. Okay. So, first one I said bonjour. That is oui or no? Oui. That's a French word. The next one, hello.
No.
No.
Madam.
Hello? No. Salut?
Oui.
Oui. Namaste?
No.
No. Au revoir?
Yes.
Oui. Okay. This much only. So we completed this chapter. Leçon 1 we completed. Leçon 1 de deux apprendre le français we completed. Pardon?
My second one is
Second word was hello.
not in French, right?
That is not in French. You can remove that 100 symbols from the screen. Pranava, Edwin, Pooja, Rana, Anthony, Daniel. Okay. Now we will start with lesson 0. We are going to start with lesson 0. We can take lesson 0 that is in page number 0. Okay, lesson 0 is 0. Page number 9. Page number 9.
Excuse me, ma'am.
We
I need to read it 0 index.
In French, there is a word, right? Marche and Shah. What is the meaning of it?
Marsh and Shah.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me the spelling?
Marche is MANGES.
M-A-N-G is mange. That means to eat. To eat.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Okay, ma'am. Shah.
Shah spelling. Give me the spelling because your pronunciation might be wrong. That is why I'm not getting that word.
Ma'am, I am using duo.
Okay, ma'am. CHAT.
CHAT, Shah. It's cat. Cat.
Dakko, madam.
Priya, we'll stick to the syllabus, okay? Okay,
Dakko,
so,
madam.
donc, lesson 0. Lesson 0. What is 0? 0?
Zero.
We already learned, right? Is 0. Lesson 0. Bienvenue en France. Bienvenue en France. What is the meaning of bienvenue en France? Welcome to France. Bienvenue en France means welcome to France. D'accord? Next page you can see here, French flag is showing there. See the French flag, and the name of the French flag is Drapeau Français. Drapeau Français. Name of the French flag. Repeat after me. Drapeau Français. Drapeau Français. That is the name of the French flag, and you can see French flag is having 3 colors: blue, white, and red. Blue, white, and red. In English, in French, we will say bleu, blanc, rouge. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Color blue in French is bleu. Bleu. And white pronunciation is blanc.
Drapeau Français, the flag in French.
Yes, drapeau français means French flag. It is having 3 colors: blue, white, and red. Bleu, blanc, rouge.
Ma'am, so you should say like this, drapeau français.
Drapeau français. You can write drapeau français.
Ma'am, so drapeau is flag meaning.
Drapeau means flag. Oui. Drapeau means flag. Français means French. So, drapeau français, French flag. Drapeau français. And I can see here, this is the map of France. This is the map of France, and it is having an outline of a hexagon. Hexagonal shape. So, what is a hexagonal shape? It's actually, it is having 6 sides. Here, we can see there is one side here. 1, 2, 3. Then one side is here. 4, 5, 6. So, hexagonal. Hexagonal. That is the nickname of France. Lexagonal. Lexagonal. H will be silent. Lexagonal. Lexagonal means it's because lexagonal. That name we are calling because of the outline shape of its map. Outline shape of its map. That's why we are calling it as lexagonal. It's the nickname of France. D'accord? D'accord.
Ma'am, the L is not silent.
What is French, ma'am? So,
Which
ma'am,
one?
in blue color, what we say, ma'am? Blue.
Colors we have another chapter. So in that we will learn in detail. That spelling, everything in detail we will learn in that chapter. Okay?
And in lexagonal, the last L should be silent, right?
Which one? Lexagonal, right?
And the last L should be silent, right?
No, L we will pronounce because lexagonal, I will show you. Next page. See, lexagon. Lexagon here, after N there is one E. So here we will pronounce that N. Lexagon. Lexagon.
So is L silent?
No, N is not silent. We are pronouncing it. Lexagon.
No, ma'am, I'm telling L.
L. L is at the beginning. L is at the beginning. We will that is the article. Like L apostrophe. That is an article. When you write, you can write like this. When you write, you just need to write this word. Hexagon.
The nickname of France is lexagonal.
We. You can just say hexagon. Hexagon. When you exam also write this way, this spelling. Hexagon. H will be silent.
Ma'am, pronunciation is hexagon or lexagon?
Hexagon.
Ma'am, French
L will be L is you don't have to pronounce L or H there. Hexagon. D'accord? Oui, Pia.
Ma'am, the France looks like the hexagon. That's why it is.
Here you are muted.
Ma'am, the France look like hexagon, right?
Yes.
That was it. It gives the nickname as hexagon.
Oui. Yes. D'accord. And we have here 4 main cities. There are 4 main cities in France. First one is Paris. I heard about this one? Paris.
Paris.
Paris is in English. In
Eiffel
French,
Tower.
pronunciation is Paris. Paris. D'accord? Paris. S. The ending letter S will be silent. Paris. And you can see there is Le Tour Eiffel. Le Tour Eiffel. That is, what is that Le Tour Eiffel?
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower. Le Tour Eiffel. That is Eiffel Tower. And one more specialty is there for Paris. Paris.
What is it?
Bread, baguette.
No, for Paris, one more specialty is there. Paris is the
Capital of France.
capital city. Yes, it's the capital of France. Paris is the capital of France, capital city of France. Paris. Repeat s'il vous plaît. Paris. Ensuite, the next city is Lyon. Next city is Lyon.
Leon.
N will be silent. Ending letter N will be silent. Lyon.
Leon.
Lyon.
Leon.
Oui. And the specialty is their French bread. Specialty is their French bread. And for French bread, we will call it as le baguette.
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 Repeat it, s'il vous plaît.
Bread, right?
Ma'am, will you repeat it?
Baguette.
Baguette.
Oui. Baguette
And it
means
is a long bread.
yes, baguette is a French bread. It will be long and very thin. Outside it will be very crispy and inside it will be soft.
Tasty bread.
Yes, and it's a tasty bread, long one, and it will be very thin also, crispy from outside and inside it will be very soft. Long bread, French bread, that is la baguette. Baguette.
Is it used for sandwiches?
Sandwiches, I think so.
And it is super crispy.
It will be very crispy. It will be very crispy.
So we can't use it as sandwich.
It's very tasty when we eat simply. There is
Eat simply and we can have that with cheese also, because cheese is also very famous in France, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then next the important famous city is Marseille. Marseille. Here you can see double L is there, but this L we are not pronouncing there. Marseille. Wait. Then the next city, fourth one is Bordeaux. Bordeaux. X is not pronouncing here. Bordeaux. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Paris. Lyon. Marseille. Bordeaux. Again, Paris. Lyon. Marseille. Bordeaux. One more time. Paris. Lyon. Marseille. Bordeaux. Vaiga, read.
And what we say for Eiffel Tower?
The tour, if we'll learn that pronunciation. Okay, we'll wait. Vaiga, read these 4 names of 4 cities.
Paris,
Hmm?
Lyon, Marseille,
Hmm?
Bordeaux.
Say via Vaiga. Ahil.
Paris,
Hmm?
Lyon,
Hmm?
Marseille,
Hmm?
Bordeaux.
Bordeaux. Trebia. And
Ma'am, for lion and this city we will the same pronunciation.
For lion, yes. For lion also pronunciation is Leo. And for Leon, city, there also will not pronounce that N. It will be Leo pronunciation. See here you can see Drapeau Francais. Here, Drapeau Francais. Page number 13. Page number 13 in the table. It is the spelling for Drapeau Francais is given. Drapeau Francais. That means French flag. Drapeau Francais. D'accord?
D'accord, madam.
D'accord. There are few more words. There are few more famous things to learn from this chapter. We'll learn in the next class. Okay?
Eiffel Tower is